What's good, everybody? It's the one and only Wilsker Reacts, back with another banger, back with another reaction video. Now today, we got Stray Kids The Sound. Shout out to a person who suggested this video. I'm gonna leave a comment right here. They said it came out last Friday. That's crazy because I got Stray Kids like notifications on and all that, like for like the different channels, and I didn't even get no notification about this. But yeah, let's just hop right into it. If you ain't already do it, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Okay, we got a piano. Hey, why did Shane Band just come in like that? I'm thinking this finna be like, they finna start off slow and then build up to it. The piano was a catfish, man. The piano most definitely was a catfish. Shane Band just came in and spasm. Let me go back right quick. Look. Okay. Hold on, y'all. The bass, drum, guitar guide me to the answers. Just shout out what I truly feel. Hey, man, look, that almost went over my head, but basically he just, like, music is what guide him to his answers, you know what I'm saying? Bass, drum, guitar are part of music, you know, so, yeah. Okay, Felix. I will say this, I like how they referencing like music and like to like emotions and the heart, you know. Music is basically emotion, you know what I'm saying? Cause you can make different types of music. You can make depressing music, you can make hype music, you know, you can make drill music, which is kind of angry music, you know what I'm saying? So music is definitely emotional, for sure, no cap. I like that part. Did that piano go again? I wish I could sing like these parts, but I can't sing, so I can't even do it. So I just gotta nod my head, you know what I'm saying? I be wanting to sing these parts, but I can't sing. It's our song. It's our sound. It's our sound. Yeah, I like this song. Hold on. Did Bang Chan just drop a bar? Hold on. He said, let's raise the volume up, max it out, everything becomes one and expands out, man. He just dropped a bar. Okay, Bang Chan. I like that. I ain't gonna lie. I like that. Facts. I like that piano though. This our sound. This our sound. This our sound. I'm saying that all wrong. But I most definitely mess with this. Let me make sure it's over with. Cause I know at the end they be having music then though. Alright. I like this song, I ain't gonna lie. I like it. Well put together as always. I'm pretty sure they're gonna drop a music video. I'm gonna react to the music video for sure. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah. If y'all enjoyed this video, leave more Stray Kids reactions. I mean, not reactions, but videos down below. It could be like compilation videos. It could be music videos. And also, I started watching some SKZ codes. I'm thinking about starting from the beginning. So, like, not from the beginning, but like older videos. I'm thinking about watching so I can get like more of an understanding because I can't just hop in. You know, I can't just watch a new episode when I ain't watched the old episodes. So I gotta watch the old episodes. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm up out of here.